What's good, my people? Back again with another video, another day, another box, another review. So this time I've got a pair which has featured on the channel, or I should say a brand that's featured on the channel before. However, it's not featured as much as it's going to, because this brand honestly is doing bits right now. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much more. As you can see with those big letters, Saucony. That's it. That's the review. No, I'm joking. Let's get into the important details, which is on the box, which is the name of this shoe, which is the ProGrid Paramount. Bit long, but it's alright. And then the colorway is black/white. The size I've got is a UK 10. Let's get into this, man. So this pair, I'll be honest, people don't even know that they exist. I think it is such a nice pair. Such a nice pair. We'll go through all the colors and all the details properly, and then I'll carry on explaining how much I love this shoe. So on the bottom, we've got grey, we've got white, we've got beige, we've got black. A lot of colors. I like these little triangle type things that they've got going on here in white, and then obviously the ProGrid. On the midsole, again, we've got a few colors visible. So we've got grey visible, got black, or that beige off-white type color. On the upper, so the upper is made up of lots of different bits, lots of different materials. So mainly the whole upper, as you can see, this kind of honeycomb mesh on the upper, going around toe box and then all around the other side. And then we've got some, it's kind of like, I don't want to say leather, but it's kind of like a leather material going around the top, all in white. And on the other side, that same material is all across the bottom of the lace loops and around the toe box. On the toe box here, we've got that kind of honeycomb again, but it's kind of like a rubber. On here, we've got a hard plastic material. That's proper solid material there, which is Saucony. On the heel, again, solid plastic material. On the inside, we've got a piece of, it's like a rubber, and then as you can see, it says arch lock or arch lock. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing. And then we've got some nubuck type of material here. It's very strange. Not very strange, but yeah, it's very like different. It's kind of like a nubuck, kind of like a nubuck. It's like a leathery nubuck. Nubuck is kind of leather, but yeah, I'm waffling way too much. And yeah, so that's all the materials on there. The tongue, we've got another type of mesh, different mesh. And then right at the top, it says Saucony, and that's like embroidered in, and then some cloth there. The laces are this kind of silvery grey and white lace. Lace swap video will be incoming real soon, because I'm not sure if I like that. However, one thing I do know is I have to lace this shoe to the top, because it looks way better that way. It has to be laced to the top. If it's not laced to the top, it doesn't look right. It looks a bit strange, but these look so good on foot. A lot of people are wearing different models like Omni 9s and stuff, which I get. But if you want to stand out a bit, or just be different, not really stand out because it's black and white. But yeah, if you want to be different, this is the pair for you. I really like this pair. It's so lightweight as well, comfortable, and it's amazing for the summer due to literally the whole upper just being mesh. But yeah, love it. The rating I'll give this shoe, I'll be honest, 9 out of 10. I don't know why it's not a 10 out of 10, but it's a 9 out of 10 for me. But yeah, I'm not going to waffle too much more. There will be, as I said, the lace swap video coming soon, very soon. You can wait a few moments, you'll see an on foot of this shoe. You'll also see an on foot posted separate. And yeah, Make sure you check out all the other content. Make sure you click the subscribe button, bell icon, hype the video, like, comment, share, subscribe, like, comment, share, subscribe. But yeah, make sure you check out everything, all the videos, all the future uploads, and keep supporting the channel. Take care, my people.